Hey guys, welcome back to the DVDFab channel. If you're like me, DVDs can sometimes feel a bit inconvenient and it's so much easier to enjoy your favorite movies on your phone or laptop. So today, I'll show you how to quickly and easily convert your DVDs to MP4 for free using DVDFab 13 DVD Ripper. It only takes 2 simple steps, so let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure you've downloaded the free DVDFab DVD Ripper for Windows or Mac. Launch DVDFab DVD Ripper and select the Ripper module. Insert your DVD into your computer's drive, and the software will automatically load and decrypt the disk, bypassing any copy protection. If you have a DVD ISO file or a folder, simply drag and drop it into the program. Once your DVD is loaded, you'll see several default preset profiles. If you plan to watch on mobile devices, choose the MP4 model profile, which uses H.264 video and AAC audio. For home theater playback, you might prefer MKV pass-through to keep the original quality, or pick a re-encoded profile to save space without losing much quality. You can also select which titles to rip, pick audio tracks and languages, extract subtitles to SRT format, and even add external subtitles. If you're curious about your DVD's copy protection, simply click Info to check the details. Want more control? Head to Format, choose Other Profile to see more MP4 options, or switch to Device to convert your DVD directly for iPhone, Android, or other devices. By clicking Advanced Settings, you can adjust video, audio, and subtitle parameters as needed. And if you want to edit your video, just use the Video Edit or Trim button. When you're ready, choose your output folder at the bottom by clicking the folder icon, either save to your device or a folder on your computer. Then just click Start. DVDFab DVD Ripper will finish the conversion within minutes. It depends on your device hardware and the movie file size. That's it!
And that's how easy it is to convert your DVDs to MP4 for free with DVDFab 13 DVD Ripper.
If you're not completely satisfied with the video quality, you can use DVDFab's built-in AI upscaler to improve it. For more details, just check out the video link that appears on the screen. Life is full of choices. Some bring us happiness, others we might regret. But choosing DVDFab is a choice you won't regret. Since launching in 2003, we've built over 20 years of expertise and earned the trust of 126 million users worldwide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. If you have any questions or need help with a particular DVD, just leave a comment down below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.